reviews best cruiser motorcycles for long-distance riding. Kawasaki Vulcan 1700 Voyager. Good evening, and welcome to our show. Tonight, we're diving into the world of cruiser motorcycles, specifically those that excel in long-distance riding. We have a real gem to showcase, the Kawasaki Vulcan 1700 Voyager. This powerful American cruiser offers a blend of classic style and modern technology, making it a top choice for long-distance touring. Background and description. The Kawasaki Vulcan 1700 Voyager is a powerful and comfortable touring motorcycle designed for long-distance travel. It's powered by a 1,700 cubic centimeters V-twin engine that delivers a smooth and torquey performance, perfect for highway cruising. Key features and benefits. Powerful engine. The Vulcan 1700 Voyager's engine provides ample power and torque for effortless acceleration and highway cruising. Comfortable ergonomics. The relaxed riding position, plush seat, and adjustable windscreen make for long-distance comfort. Advanced electronics. Features like cruise control and a premium audio system enhance the riding experience. Spacious storage. Ample storage space in the saddlebags and trunk for long journeys. Classic American styling. The Vulcan 1700 Voyager's iconic American cruiser design exudes timeless appeal. Design and aesthetics. The Vulcan 1700 Voyager has a classic American cruiser design, with a sleek and aerodynamic shape. Its chrome accents and bold styling give it a timeless appeal. Target audience and relevance. The Vulcan 1700 Voyager is ideal for riders who are looking for a luxurious and comfortable touring motorcycle. Its powerful engine, advanced technology, and iconic design make it a top choice for those who want to hit the open road in style. Expert reviews. The Vulcan 1700 Voyager has received positive reviews from both critics and riders. Many praise its powerful engine, comfortable ride, and luxurious features. One reviewer from Motorcyclist magazine said, "The Vulcan 1700 Voyager is a fantastic choice for riders who want a premium touring motorcycle. It's comfortable, powerful, and a lot of fun to ride." Comparison to other touring motorcycles. When compared to other popular touring motorcycles, the Kawasaki Vulcan 1700 Voyager stands out for its classic American styling and powerful engine. Its comfortable ergonomics and advanced features make it a top choice for discerning riders. Conclusion. The Kawasaki Vulcan 1700 Voyager is a well-rounded touring motorcycle that offers a great combination of style, performance, and comfort. Its powerful engine, advanced features, and iconic design make it a perfect choice for long-distance travel. So, if you're looking for a luxurious and capable touring motorcycle, the Vulcan 1700 Voyager is definitely worth considering.